Hello dear student, in last lecture we saw tit for tat, the story of a girl Amina and a painter, in which we learned two lessons. First one, how should we deal with people? We should treat them as they treat us. Now this is called tit for tat in our logical language. Now we will see the mathematical meaning of this story, how it is helpful in our maths, in which we learn mirror half. हमें यहाँ पर पेंटर ने अमीना की हाफ पिक्चर को ड्रॉ किया था और उसने ये समझाया कि किस तरह से हाफ पार्ट एकदम सेम होता है। इसी तरह सभी ऑब्जेक्ट के हाफ पार्ट को आप ड्रॉ करोगे और उसके आगे आप मिरर रखते हैं तो हमें उसी की सेम मिरर इमेज उसमें फॉर्म होती है, इसे बोलते हैं मिरर हाफ। इसी तरह चैप्टर में पेंटर ने काफ़ी सारे ऑब्जेक्ट के हाफ इमेजेस को ड्रॉ किया है, उसमें हमें मिरर हाफ शो करना है। लेट वी प्रोसीड इन आवर टेक्स्ट बुक। हमारी टेक्स्ट बुक के अंदर हम मिरर हाफ्स को सीखेंगे। We are going to start our page number 8 here. The painter had made many such pictures in which he drew only one half of the things. Draw the other half of these pictures and find out what these things are. Try doing it with a mirror. यहाँ पर पेंटर ने हाफ पिक्चर्स को ड्रॉ किया हुआ है। हमें उन पिक्चर्स को कम्प्लीटली ड्रॉ करना है और उन्हें पहचानना है वो क्या है। Here I am using mirror to show you the mirror halves. It will help you to complete your pictures. The half is exactly same. We are covering two pictures here. First one is butterfly and second one is star. Now come to our next picture is lamp. You have to draw exactly same. Come to our next. Here we have face of a cat. Now next is a fish. See, as we have seen that the mirror halves, the other half is exactly same. Now come to our next half of this page. Can we repeat the painter's trick while drawing picture of the following? क्या हम पेंटर की जो ट्रिक थी उसे यहाँ पर फॉलो कर सकते हैं ये जो फॉलोइंग थिंग्स दी हैं उनकी ड्राइंग के लिए? नो, वी कैन नॉट यूज दिस ट्रिक बिकॉज द अदर हाफ्स आर डिफरेंट. लेट मी शो यू द अदर हाफ ऑफ दिस थिंग्स इन मिरर. First is a caterpillar. As we know, caterpillar has one mouth, one face, but when we look this in mirror, it has two faces. Similarly, next is cup, and this trick is not applicable here also. And next is flag, so we can't use that trick here. Come to our next line. If you ask the painter to draw things which cannot be divided into two similar mirror halves, then he cannot play the trick. अगर आप पेंटर को ऐसी चीज़ की ड्राइंग बनाने के लिए कहते हैं जो दो पार्ट में डिवाइड नहीं हो सकती और उसके दोनों मिरर हाफ्स सिमिलर नहीं होंगे, वो भी फिर अपनी इस ट्रिक को यूज़ नहीं कर सकेगा. ड्रॉ 3 more such things which do not have similar mirror halves. यहाँ पर हमको और 3 चीज़ों को ड्रॉ करना है जिसके सिमिलर हाफ नहीं है. I have drawn here some pictures. You can also draw as you like. Now come to our page number 9. Here we have mirror halves. Look at the picture given. Does the dotted line divide each picture into two similar mirror halves? Dotted line से divide किया है pictures को. क्या ये mirror halves हैं images? So first is draw in this way mirror halves. This also divide into two parts. So right here, yes, they have similar mirror halves. Second one, yes, it has also mirror halves. Third one, it's not dividing into two similar halves. So no, it's not similar. Next one is also not similar. So right here, no, it's not dividing into equal halves. This part, both the parts are equal, so they have similar mirror halves. So right here, yes. Next one is not similar. The upward part and downward part is not similar. So right here, no. Next is B. It has also similar halves. So right here, yes. Next letter is T. It has also similar half. Both the parts are equal. So right here, yes. Next is shape. This part is smaller and this part is bigger. So it is not similar. So right here, no. Next one is also not similar. Right here, no. The next shape is similar, as you can see here. Both the parts are equal. So right here, yes. Next letter is M. M has mirror image. So this part is equal to this part. So right here, yes. Next is also triangle. So it has also similar halves. Next is the shape. It has also similar half. Both the parts are equal. In next image, you can see the upward is bigger and downward is smaller. So it is not a similar. Next one is also not similar. Right here, no. Now we are completing this page here. Give some more examples. So you can draw here some more examples. Come to page number 10. Using a dotted line, can you divide the following picture into two similar halves? First is a comb. I am dividing this into two parts. Next is an envelope. So divided in equal halves. Now next one is a number 8. Here we have divided this. Next is a scissor. Here. Next is a button. We can divide it in this way also, in this way and this way also. Okay. Next one is not a mirror half because both the parts are not similar. So right here, no, it cannot be divided. When we divide pencil in this way, we will not get similar halves. So we are dividing in this way. In this way, we are dividing it into equal halves. Next is a mug, a cup. It is not dividing. So right here, no. Next is a crown. It is dividing into two halves. We are getting similar part on both sides. Next is a frog. It is also dividing into similar halves. Next is a bell. It is also dividing. See, in this way, you have to make a divide line, dotted line. Next is a square. As you know, square has equal halves, but rectangle has not equal parts. The plane In this way we have to divide this. It has equal halves. Next is a tool. It has also equal halves. Next is 2, but it is not similar halves. So next is a specs. So goggles. Here we drawn equal halves. Next is a suitcase. It has also similar halves. Then it has not similar halves. This umbrella is not similar in this way, so write here no. This clock is also not similar because the numbers are not imaging. It means not repeating here. We are completing here our page number 10. Come to our next page, page number 11. Can you guess letter here? Here I am doing. I am drawing the next half. Here we have some letters given. So I have completed. This is A. Next is C. You have to draw in this way to complete the image. Next is H. You have to draw in this way. Next is U. U for umbrella, as you know. So draw in this way. Next is B. B for ball. Draw B in this way. We have some letters which have mirror halves. So we are completing here our B. Next is X. Complete in this way. Yes, here we are completing our X. So come to our next half of page number 11. Using such letter we can also make words which have similar halves. Here I am making the words. Before that we have seen some letters, some shapes. Now we are looking towards some words. This is W. H-O-W. How. How means कैसे. Here we are getting one word, how. Next is, first letter is W. W has also mirror halves. Here we are going to use only that letters which have mirror halves. Next is A. Then last one is X. So the word we are getting here is wax. As you know, meaning of wax. So our next, here completing our two words, how and wax. Come to our third, C double O, here double O. C double O. This is K. C double O K E D. This is D. Cooked. Meaning of cooked, you know, banana. So color it. It means dark it. Okay, in this way. Here our next is, next word is dies. First letter D, I, C, and last letter is E. Here we finished dice or completing. Follow instruction given on the page number 12, making a mask. Now I can teach you how to make a mask of a cat. Take a piece of paper, fold it along the middle, then on one side draw the figure, cut it out using a pair of scissors. Fourth step, now open the fold and make the eyes, nose, etc. Fifth step, color it and tie a rubber band on its back. Your mask is ready. You can make more such masks by taking help for the following pictures. Here we are completing our chapter here.